Hi guys, so Frenzo here from Mod, back to give you another parang instructional video to give you tips, tricks on how to run a successful print-on-demand store with Mod Factory. Okay, so it's just gonna be just a quick tutorial on paano magbigay ng collaborator access. So if you guys are not aware, so ngayon kasi sa Shopify, kapag naka-basic plan lang kayo, wala nang staff access. So ang pinalit dito is collaborator access, no? So paano ba magbigay ng collaborator access? So all you have to do is you go to your settings, punta kayo sa users and permissions, and then sa collaborators, click nyo yung only people with a collaborator request code can send a collaborator request. So, kailangan lang namin dyan actually is yung my Shopify na URL nyo plus itong request code. No? So, saan ba mahahanap yung Shopify URL? Punta lang kayo sa domains, tas this one, yung may myshopify.com, copy nyo lang yan, send sa amin through email or sa GC, and then yung collaborator access code, yung collaborator request code. So once na-send na sa amin yung number 1, my Shopify URL, number 2, yung collaborator request code, we'll be able to get access to your Shopify store quickly and easily, and then pwede na namin i-process yung orders automatically, no? Yun lang. Hopefully nakatulong. Thanks, guys.